Everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my class. In this video, I am going to tell you about the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cells and animal cells both are eukaryotic types. They exhibit several key differences in structural and functional aspects. Plant cells are autotrophs. They photosynthesize and depend on chloroplast for energy production. Animal cells, on the other hand, rely on mitochondria for energy production and a flexible plasma membrane for shape changes. Despite these differences, both types of cells share common organelles such as the nucleus, ribosomes, and mitochondria, which enable them to carry out essential life processes. Understanding these differences more intensely highlights the diverse ways in which life has evolved to meet the needs of different organisms. So, now focus on major differences between these two types of cells one by one. Before that, those who are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe for more videos. Now, coming back, differences. First one is size. Cells differ greatly in size. Animal cells are generally smaller than plant cells. Animal cells range from 10 to 30 micrometer in length, while plant cells range from 10 to 100 micrometers in length. For example, mycoplasmas, the smallest cells which are only for zero point 0.3 micrometer long, while bacteria are 3 to 5 micrometer in length. The largest isolated single cell is the egg of an ostrich. Among multicellular organisms, human red blood cells are about 7 micrometer in diameter. Nerve cells are some of the longest cells. Next is shape. Cells also vary greatly in their shape. This is due to the function the cell shape performs. The shape of an animal cell is irregular or round, whereas plant cell typically appear square or rectangular shape. Next is energy storage. Animal cells store energy in the form of complex carbohydrate glycogen, whereas plant cells store energy as starch granules. Coming to proteins. Out of 20 amino acids needed to produce proteins, only 10 produced naturally in animal cells and others must be getted through diet. Whereas plant cells can synthesize all the 20 amino acids. Next is differentiation. In animal cells, only stem cells are capable of converting to other cell types, but most of the plant cells types are capable of differentiation and form into other structures. Chloroplast. It is absent in animal cells, whereas it is present in plants around vacuole. Next is growth. Animal cells increase in size by increasing in cell numbers. Plant cells mainly increase cell size by becoming larger. They grow by absorbing more water into the central vacuole. Coming to cell wall. Animal cells do not have cell wall but have a cell membrane. But plant cells have a cell wall composed of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectins and proteins along with cell membrane. Next is plasma membrane. It is also called cell membrane. In animals, the plasma membrane consists of cholesterol, regulates membrane fluidity, which varies according to the temperature of cell's environment. Whereas in plants, the plasma membrane serves two main roles, that is, transport of solutes into and out of each cell and sensory transduction. Plant cells lack cholesterols, sterols. Next is centrioles. Animal cells contains these cylindrical structures that organize the assembly of microtubules during cell division, whereas plant cells do not contain centrioles. Cilia and filaments. Cilia are found in animal cells which helps in locomotion but not usually present in plant cells. Cytokinins. Cytokinins, the division of cytoplasm during cell division, occurs in animal cells when a cleavage furrow forms that pinches the cell membrane into off. In plant cell cytokinins, a cell plate is constructed that divides the cell. Next is glyoxysomes. These structures are not found in animal cells but are present in plant cells. They help to degrade lipids, particularly in germinating seeds, to produce sugar. Next is lysosomes. Animal cells possess lysosomes, which are most numerous in disease-fighting cells such as white blood cells. Plant cells does not have lysosomes. Nucleus. Both plant and animal cells have a nucleus. In animal cell, it is lies at the center of the cell, whereas in plant cell, it lies on the side of the cell due to large vacuole. Coming to plastids. Animal cells do not have plastids, but cells contain plastids such as chloroplast, which are needed for photosynthesis. Next is plasmodesmata. In animal cells, it is absent. Plant cells have plasmodesmata, which are pores between plant cell walls that allow molecules and communication signals to pass between individual plant cells. Next is vacuole. Animal cells may have many small vacuoles, but plant cells have a large central vacuole that can occupy up to 90% of the cell volume. This vacuole is crucial for growth and development. Next is cytoplasma. The cytoplasma surrounds the nucleus in animal cells and is mostly composed of water, sugars, salts, carbohydrates, amino acids, and nucleotides. Whereas in plant cells, the cytoplasma maintains cell shape, provides critical support to internal structures, and serve as a suspension media for organelles. Chloroplast. Animal cells do not have chloroplast. In plant cells, chloroplast is an organelle within the cells of plants that contain chlorophyll and carotenoid pigments, which are responsible for trapping light energy essential for photosynthesis. Next one is centrosome. In animal cell, the centrosome present and it regulates cell motility, adhesion, and polarity in interphase, facilitates the organization of spindle folds during mitosis, whereas most plant cells lack centrosomes. The last one is microvilli. In animal cells, they are present in intestinal lining to increase the surface area for the absorption of food, whereas in plant cells it is absent. So, this is all about the difference between the animal cell and plant cell. Why we must study or understand the plant and animal cell differences is it offers insights into their specialized functions such as energy production, growth, and reproduction. Understanding these differences can lead to advancements in biotechnology, agriculture, and medicine, providing a way forward in enhancing crop yields, treating diseases, and exploring cellular functions more deeply. In conclusion, plant and animal cells have fundamental differences such as presence of a cell wall, chloroplast, and large vacuole in plant cells. These structural variations enable plants to perform photosynthesis and maintain rigidity, while animal cells are more flexible and focus on energy production and mobility. So that is all for today. I hope you understand well. Any clarification, please text me. Thank you. See you in the next class.